Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we talk about the fiance visa or the spousal visa process and the importance of documenting your relationship and eligibility. So if you are planning to bring your fiance or your spouse to your country, or you are planning to immigrate as a spouse or as a fiance, one of the key things you will need to provide as part of your application is proof of a valid relationship. So here are 5 examples that of the kinds of documentation you can use to demonstrate the authenticity and depth of your relationship. So the number one is photos. Very, very important. Photos are a great way to show that you and your fiance or your spouse have a real tangible relationship. So be sure to include a variety of photos that show you together in different situations and settings. This could be birthdays, could be vacations together, could be a trip to meet the family and stuff like that. And then the number two example of documentation you can use to demonstrate authenticity and depth of your relationship is emails and letters. So emails and letters can provide valuable insight into the nature of your relationship. So include any emails or letters that demonstrate your love and commitment to one another. Then the number 3 documentation you can provide to prove validity and authenticity of your relationship is social media interactions. If you and your fiance are active on social media, consider providing screenshots of your interactions as evidence of your relationship. This can include comments, they can include likes, can include share posts, can include tags and all that. Then the number four evidence of your relationship for the sake of a spousal visa or fiance visa is phone logs. So phone logs can be a helpful way to demonstrate the frequency and duration of your communication. So consider providing phone logs or screenshots of text conversations as evidence of your relationship. So in addition to this, you can include your WhatsApp chat, you can include your FaceTime logs, you can include your Facebook chats, Instagram chats, and all that. You can include them together. And then last but not least, documentation for your spousal visa or your marriage visa could be affidavits from friends and family. So if you have friends or family members who can attest to the authenticity of your relationship, consider having them provide written affidavits as part of your application. So remember, the fiance visa process or the marital visa process is designed to ensure that you and your fiance or your partner are eligible to immigrate to that country that you want to move to, and that your relationship is genuine. So by providing evidence of your commitment and your love to one another, you can increase your chances of a successful visa application. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and information on the fiancé and the spousal visa process. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.